Hello guys and welcome back to the next episode of our HISOCI training. Today we will speak about the Facebook lead generate, how we lead generate from Facebook. So first we have three different ways, but everything or all what we will use only this search bar, same as Google, same as every kind of platform. We will only use the search bar and our brain to thinking out of the box. So in Facebook platform there is three different way. We will speak in this session about the first way. It's the group on WhatsApp, like this section, only the groups. So we will speak about how we can find a group and what kind of keywords we must search for. Let us do some tests. First, I will make a general keyword. This is very general from three letters only, like UAE. As we can see, we have here a lot of group. We have UAE buy and sell for everyone, business in Dubai, online business in UAE, Dubai business network, Dubai buy and sell, Dubai buy and sell, UAE people community, UAE buy and sell. For example, and we have this and we have this, we have a lot of groups. First, I will join, join. I will make join for all the group I already open first, as we can see. And then I will back to the first one. I will check if I can make some post here or I can't. Type if I can't, we will go to the people section. As we can see, we here have some admins. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 admins. I will open the first one and I will open the next one and I will open the third one. Here we have this. We will go view profile and view profile. Here they have WhatsApp, so I can contact her by WhatsApp. And here they have view profile. Okay, here I can have view profile, but first I need to active as user to speak with this lady. As we can see here, I can add a friend and start making some messages. Hi, as we do always. Hi, how are you? Why I'm trying to make conversation? Because in this group I can't make a post. As we can see in discussion I can put some post, but right now I can because I active as user, not as company page. So here I will try to put any type of offer I have. I will try to make any kind of post offer. As we learned in the first session, like we have some offer, we will put a picture for our offer and we will try to make something. So if we will go here, open a new folder, as we can see here I have the offers. I will copy this one and I will put it here and make post only like this. And the post is already done. And here I will just make refresh for all of the pages to active as user, not as company page. Okay. As we can see, but let us do something first. I will just add a picture that is our logo. And also I will put our banner, because this account I make it new just for training purposes. Okay, right now we are using as my account, like we have our logo and we have the banner if someone come and check our pages. So I will refresh all again. So in this also I will create or I will publish my post in all the groups like this. It's very easy work. As we can see guys, right now I'm trying to publish my post in any group I can find. In like 30 minutes I can publish more than 50 posts in 50 different groups. That is very good and is very powerful. Why? Because you need to make some reach. You need to make the people reach what you have. Maybe you will have deals, maybe you will not have any deals, but that not mean like if we didn't have some client, that mean our work is like go. No, any kind of work you do, you will have benefit from it. Maybe some time or some day someone will go in this group and trying to find some digital marketing company. He need a website for sure that we don't publish like the photo only like this. No, we publish the photo and we write the description that if someone search for something, I must appear for his search, for his search. So that's what we will learn in the last of training using the ChatGPT or the AI, artificial intelligence, how we write our posts or how we write our content, our description. A lot of things we will learn in the end of this training. So as we can see right now, this is one post. Here his need admin approval. We will speak about this it's already published, so we will close this. Also need admin approval. This it's already published. Same. This is we will leave it same. This is published, this is published. So here we have right now three group need admin approval. So I will go, for example, in this I will go to speak with the admins. Here he have a WhatsApp number, so I can copy like easy and go like here in the magic link we speak about the last time, and I can put the number here and I can start conversation with him using WhatsApp, and it will be like more better and more fast. People answer by their WhatsApp faster than Facebook. So, but I will try to speak with this guy. I will try to make a conversation with this guy. Hi, how are you? I'm Honey. I hope you're fine. Can we speak? Or for example, can I ask you small question? So I will make something to make him like reply for me. Just if I ask him like I need a small question, maybe he will think like I need some business from him. So maybe he will answer. Maybe he will not answer. We don't know until we check. So right now, same for this group. I will go to the admin, I will speak with them or make add friend. For example, here it's also like this, and here add friend. See, he's already answer me. So I will try to make a conversation with him. So I will let him like which language So I write with him like which language is best for you, Arabic or English. If he will speak in English, we don't mind, and if he speaks Arabic, same as well. Like we don't have a problem. But let him like speak with you. So we will speak Arabic if you don't mind. For example, I will make an Arabic conversation with him because it's more easy to let him understand what I need. For example, I will make a conversation with him as a simple conversation. Like, for example, I have a company in Dubai and I'm trying to get some leads using your group because I find you like an admin of this group. Like, can we cooperate to make some business together? Because if you get a profit, I will get a profit also. And if I get profit, I will give you commission, for example, or percentage from any customer will speak with me from your group because you will accept my post. Like it's already under review. So from my experience, I know that no one will approve my post until I speak with someone. This is from my experience. So we can speak with them directly before we published our post to check the availability if he will cooperate with me or not, if he's flexible for this or he don't need any type of business, maybe he don't like, maybe I can make him a client for his group or for his page, or if he have business, or maybe he will refer my company for someone else. A lot of benefit you can take it from this work, and it's only take like 1 to 2 hour per day. It will not take a lot of time. So right now we use a UAE keywords. I can here for example search for business owners. As I can see, support small business in UAE, business group in UAE, Dubai B2B business group, UAE business promotion for company, business author Dubai, resource and support. As I can see, there is a lot of group. So if we speak about like how many keywords we can put in the search bar, we speak more than like 1 to 2 years until we finish the keyword that we can use to scrap or find some groups to publish our post or our offer or any kind of post or content like I have to promote my company for free. This is an free advertising. Facebook is the powerful platform that I know for social media. Like every day, I can get from Facebook only from 2 to 3 clients daily. But after a long time of work and making relationship, like in the startup, you can't make 1 to 2 or 3 clients. Maybe after 1 week you will make one client, but this is very good if you make one client in 1 week. Why? Because the first client you will reach, he will let you understand the way that how you catch this person as a customer, how you generate these leads. Then you can start making another leads, develop your strategy from Facebook or on Facebook to find more leads, to understand the best group, and a lot of things like you can find only as a group. You can use any type of keywords you need or related to what we are needs for our needs. So that's how we find a lot of customers using only the search bar and the group section on Facebook. So we will speak in the next session about what we have more. So thank you for watching.